Hi, good morning to everyone. It's me Ujjwal Choudhary. I'm an undergrad student studying in Delhi. Basically, I'm from Nepal. I have been doing my digital marketing course from Digital Vidya from last 6 months. It was a great journey for me. Basically, this digital marketing course was suggested to me by my career coach as this skill enhance my CV profile for my upcoming admission, and also basically it is a very good skill that everyone should be knowing in this digital world to promote their product, any business, any ideas they have, because in this time everything is going online and the digital marketing would help in everything. It was a very good experience. They were very interactive. We had any problem, then they used to revert back to the problem. We can connect them any time, in any office hour. I have a weekdays classes, but also I whenever I used to ask for the problem, anything, they used to reply on WhatsApp. It had a very good experience with them.